Cognibotics Sigma Tau is a parallel kinematic machine which was designed to bridge the gap between robots and machine tools. It takes a different approach to traditional articulated arm robots designed with the increased demands of modern automotive production in mind. It's more versatile, stronger and more accurate over a larger working volume. The Sigma Tau PKM has a carbon fiber tripod structure which provides great strength and stiffness. The track-mounted actuators work side by side to share the loads and minimize accuracy errors, and the length of these tracks can be increased without affecting performance, which can provide a very large working volume. The Sigma Tau is well suited for laser welding solutions as it can deliver accurate beam positioning, which is crucial, and maintain that accuracy across complex curvature without the need for any external metrology. The results delivered as part of the eTau project were completed with an aging developmental version of the Sigma Tau robot, which is fantastic because it means that the performance of this solution in a full production scenario will be increased when using our newly released second generation Sigma Tau robot, which can be used as a huge high dynamic 5-axis machine tool for applications such as metal machining, friction stir welding, hybrid additive manufacturing and non-destructive inspections.
Thank you for taking the time to join us for this demonstration of the eTau project. If you'd like to learn more about the project or any of the technology shown today, please get in touch with us and we'd love to share more details with you. Thank you.